So I'm going to do workbook page 74. Write the date. Workbook page 74. Activity book page 74. Now we are going to do a lot of pages today, so please speed it up. Okay? Very fast because other class finished also. So even you all can finish. Okay? So page 74. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Date is written?
Yes.
Miss Nabiha and Miss Samiha. If you don't understand something, please put up your hand and ask me. Don't do wrong. Okay? Clear? You want me to repeat? I will repeat, but put up your hand. Then only I know you cannot do. Alright? Okay? Alright. Now, this is the 6 times table. Please pay attention. Don't dig in your bag for anything. Alright. 1 times 6? 6. Write down. There are 6 this in the pile. So you fill up both the boxes. Alright? Alright. Next one is 5 times 6 is 30. So there are 30 discs in 5 piles. Okay? So both the boxes 30. Next, 7 times 6 is, you have to put 7. 7 times 6 is what? Exam test will come. Tomorrow is test, you remember, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7 times 6 is how much?
42.
42. Write down. Samia, can you please put your chair and sit properly? Okay, so there are 42 discs in 7 piles. So all the boxes should be filled up, okay? Alright, at the bottom. Now, use the number line and fill up the answers. I think you guys can do this by yourself. Look at the number line and do it by yourself, then I'll check the answers. I give you 30 seconds.
What?
The answer is there. You don't have to think of the answer. Answers are all there. You don't draw lines. You have to write down in the box the answer.
I'm done.
Okay, so let's check the answer. 6 times 6? 36. 8 times 6?
48.
48. If you have written something wrong, please erase and write. Okay? 10 times 6?
60.
60. 3 times 6?
18.
18. Okay? Alright, the next page you have done as homework, but I just want to go over with you page 75 because I checked the other class, they had made a lot of mistakes, okay? Now, 2 times 6 is equal to 6 times 2, correct or no?
Yes.
Okay, so 2 times 6 is
12.
12. 6 times 2 is
12.
12. Then 4 times 6 and 6 times 4 is the same.
Yes.
So 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 is
24.
24. Now C. 5 times 6 is equal to 6 times 5. Yes. The answer is 6 times 5. Okay. 7 times 6 is equal to 6 times 7. Correct. Then 6 times 9 is equal to 9 times 6. So that is what you're supposed to write, not write the answer. Okay? Some of the other class have written 5 times 6 have written 30 in the box. 30 is not the answer. The answer is 6 times 5 is equal to 5 times 6. Okay? Alright, next page. Write the date quickly, page 76. Please be ready with the date. Just write the date, not the day, okay? Just the date. Please be ready with the pencil and the blue pencil to write the date. Alright? Okay. Now, fill in the missing numbers. Ready? missing numbers. 3 times 6 is 18. Then 3 times 6 is again 18. Both have to be same. You can't have one place 3 times 6 is 18, another place 3 times 6 is 24. Cannot have that. Okay? 3 times 6, both the answers have to be the same. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So 6 times 6 is 18 plus 18, right in the box. 18 plus 18. So 6 times 6 is 36. The bottom box 36. Does everyone follow this?
Yes.
Anyone not following? Okay. B. 5 times 6 is
30.
30. 30. 4 times 6 is
24.
24. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So together 9 times 6 is 30 plus 24 is equal to what? 30 plus 24 is equal to 54, correct. 54. Now the bottom one. 10, number C. 10 times 6 is 60. Okay. 9 times 6 is 60 minus what? 1. Okay. What is this? When you write the 6 times table, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So what are we doing? We are adding 1 or we are adding 6?
6.
We are adding 6, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do we add 1 or do we add 6? We keep adding 6, right? So 6 times 9 and 6 times 10. Okay? Now 6 times 10 is 60. Correct?
Yes.
So when we go backwards, we will do what? Minus what?
6.
Huh?
6.
Minus what?
6.
Minus 6. Cannot be minus 1. So 60 minus 6. Write down in the box. Minus 6 is equal to what? Huh? 54. Correct. So forward you add. Okay, when you are doing the times table, when you go forward, you add 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Backward means you're minusing 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, not minusing 1. Alright, now the next page. Now this one is actually a booklet. Alright, so later on, when we have some time, we'll make the books. They are books. Your tables, it's books, okay? So when we have time, we'll make books. Alright, now turn the page to page 82. Turn to page 82. Turn to page 82. Now this is the 7 times table, okay? Write the date. Children, I should not have to say write the date, write the date. You should know and do it by yourself. Automatically it should be done even if the teacher does not say. Activity book, all the pages we write the date. Workbook, all the pages we write the date. Exercise book, no need. Okay? You must know this by now. Okay, 1 times 7 is 7. So one branch has 7 leaves. 4 times 7? What is 4 times 7? There's a number line at the bottom. You can look at it.
28.
28, correct. So 4 branches have 28 leaves. What is 8 times 7?
56.
56. So 8 branches have 56 leaves. Alright. Now look at the number line and write the answers. Then I'll check with you. 30 seconds again. Samia, can you put your legs down and sit properly and put your chair in? Okay? Alright. So let's check the answers. 5 times 7, 35. 7 times 7, 49. 9 times 7, 63. 10 times 7, 70. Okay, next page, date. Okay, 2 rows of 7 is 2 rows of 7. 2 times 7, 14. 7 times 2, 14. 3 times 7, 21. 7 times 3, 21. Then at the bottom, 4 times 7 is equal to 7 times 4. 7 times 8 is equal to 8 times 7. And 7 times 10 is equal to 10 times 7. Okay, next page, date. Page 84. Okay, fill in the missing numbers. Ready? Ready? Okay. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 7 is 21. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 times 7 is 35 plus 21. So what is it? 35 plus 21? 56. Equal to 56. Then B. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 7 is again 35. Okay, so 35. So 10 times 7 is 35 plus 35 is 70. 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, now the bottom part, C. 6 times 7 is 42. Now we are adding. We are not going backwards. Earlier for 6 we went from 6 times 10 to 6 times 9. Here we are going 6 times 7 to 7 times 7. So we have to add 7. So 42 plus 7 is equal to 49. Alright, page 87. Page 87. That is again 7 times booklet. So we'll do it when we are free, okay? There is no need for day, only write the date, okay? Alright, now what is multiplication and division? What are they? Brothers, okay? So they are the same. So we've done this, right? The houses in our exercise book. Okay, so 1 times 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 10 times 7 is 70. 70 divided by 7 is 10. Okay, that's good. Fast. Okay, 2 more pages. Page 86, 88 and 89, write the date. Page 88 and 89, write the date quickly. Just the date, not the day, okay? Just the date. Okay. Don't need to write the day, just write the date, alright? Page 88. Now write each answer in the pearl. Can you see the pearl?
Yes.
These are oysters. Can you see the pearl?
Yes.
So the answer has to be written inside the pearl. You can see the example, right?
Yes.
Don't write on the side or anything. So 7 divided by 7, the answer is 1. They've already written. Can you see that? Okay, so 18 divided by 6 is what?
3.
3, correct. 24 divided by 6. You know how you do the division. I'll tell you how you do. When you look at 24 divided by 6, you must think 6 times what will give me 24. Okay? So 6 times table you think. 6 times what will give me 24? 6 times what is 24? Yes, Sarah, you said something earlier. 4, correct. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, 42 divided by 6. 6 times table. Huh? How can it be 4? We already said 24 divided by 6 is 4. How can 42 divided by 6 also be 4? You guys need to learn your tables. Huh? Every day must practice. Later we do test, oral test on 6 times table. 7. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 49 divided by 7 is also 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, 56 divided by 7, 8. 63 divided by 7, 9. And 60 divided by 6, 10. Alright, the next page is the house. Remember we did the house?
Yes.
Okay, so fill it up. Fill it up by yourself. Everyone knows how to fill up the house?
Yes.
Okay, alright. So fill it up by yourself and then I will mark your books.